Here is the part 3 of last Saturday's Gana.
Out of disappointment.
Out of disappointment, napagtripan ko tuloy yung camera. Yung CCTV. Oh my gosh, this is it. Ay talagang na-bad mood talaga ako dyan guys. Uy, pero tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Well, let's go down now. Accept the fact that we're going down now. Let's go home. Oh my gosh, di na ma-drawing yung face. Let's get inside the elevator. And then there is our operator sitting. Tanawang naong guys. Ay, murag ikapoy yung nagmaayo pa eh. Well, that's part of surviving. That's part of living, you know. Oh, smile nga. That's fake. Being fake. Og sa dihang. Grabe seryoso magaganilang topic guys. Oh, ang paminaw gani mo. Back to me, see. So we're about to land na. Oh, landing na ba? Airplane. Sarel, we're here on ground floor. Finally, nakaland na din. Pero yung face na disappoint, hindi pa rin nababago. Well, let's go through. Let's walk na lang. Let's just accept that inanagyo siya. There's a process because everything has its own process. That's the fact. And the fact that we cannot fully accept. Well, it's a whole way. You see, let's go. Walk with honor and dignity. Paaling nga guys. So, padayon. And we're about to do the exit. Welcome to the other dimension of the world. We're outside using na guys. Ang naangay, di ka po mahitsura. Ano na ba yun? Okay, stress man. Alams na. Unsay tambal. Let's go.